Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm here to share with you the essential tools you need for do-it-yourself car repairs. Trust me, having the right tools can make all the difference, saving you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Let's dive right in. First up, the socket sets. Now there are two main types of sockets: bi-hex, which has 12 points and offers more flexibility, and full hex, which has 6 points and can handle higher torque. Make sure to use full hex for those stubborn, corroded fasteners. You'll also need a ratchet, a breaker bar for extra leverage, and some extensions in various lengths. Even though the drive sizes come in imperial measurements, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2, most modern cars use metric fasteners. Keep that in mind. Next, let's talk about wrenches. I highly recommend combination spanners, which have an open end and a ring end. Whenever possible, always use the ring end to avoid damaging fasteners in your knuckles. They also come in bi-hex and full hex, just like the sockets. Adjustable wrenches are up next. These are great for odd-sized fasteners, but be cautious. They only have 2 contact points and can slip, especially the cheaper ones. Now, onto pliers and cutters. A 3-piece set is ideal: long-nosed pliers for reaching clips, regular pliers with a strong grip and cutting section, and side cutters for cutting cables and hoses. Look for ones with comfortable grips to save your hands some pain. Don't forget, screwdrivers. You'll need a variety of sizes and types: flat-bladed, crosshead, and Torx. Comfortable, grippy handles are a must. And remember, screwdrivers are not chisels or punches. For cars with Torx or Allen hex head fasteners are essential. Using the wrong tool can damage fastener heads, so be careful. I also recommend using penetrating fluid on stubborn fixings. Work gloves are a must to protect your hands from dirt and carcinogenic oil. Cheap latex gloves work just fine. A torque wrench is crucial for tightening fasteners to the correct specification. Modern torque wrenches click and give slightly when you reach the correct torque. A 3/8 drive is a good place to start, but you might need a 1/2 later on. For safe undercar work, you'll need a floor jack. Always, and I mean always, use axle stands for safety. Lastly, consider other useful tools like mole grips, a brake piston windback tool, an oil filter wrench, water pump pliers, a Jubilee clip driver, pry bars, and an electrical multimeter and an OBD2 scan tool as you advance your DIY skills. That's it for today. Make sure to subscribe for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Check out Haynes for detailed manuals and further information. And remember, tool buying can be pretty addictive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.